City trails and natural areas like this one allow us to connect with nature without leaving the city. There's fishing, hiking, and paths all through this area that allow people of all different skill levels, ages, and abilities to walk around and enjoy nature. This natural area specifically is less than 2 minutes from downtown Loveland. And that, I believe, provides a necessary getaway for people so they can just hop in the car or even walk right over to an area like this and enjoy the outdoors.